Hey everyone! If you are already familiar with solving the 3x3 cube, but want to challenge yourself with something smaller and faster, then the 2x2 cube is the perfect puzzle for you. In this video, I am going to walk you through the step-by-step process of solving a 2x2 cube. Let's dive in. The first step is to find which side is most solved and finish off that side. It is not necessary to make the whole layer. Next step is to solve the OLL case. These are the 7 OLL algorithms to solve the top face. After solving the top face and bottom face, the next step is called permute both layers, or PBL. There are 5 PBL algorithms. If you have a bar on the top and a bar on the bottom, in that case, you should put them on the front side and do this algorithm. Next, if you have one bar, either on the top or bottom, hold the bar on the top, facing to you, and do this algorithm. Next, if both sides don't have a bar, then do this algorithm. Now, if one side is solved, and other side has a bar like this, then hold the unsolved side on top and bar on back, then do this. Next, if one side is solved and other side has no bar, then hold the unsolved side on the top and do this algorithm.